Good morning, children. Today we'll do something new, okay? I'll teach you to make cards and to color these boxes, which you can present it to your mother or your father, or you can keep it with yourself. So we'll use these lady's fingers. I have lady fingers here, and I have of different sizes. Some are small and some are big. One is fat and this one is thin. So with the help of these ladies' finger, we will paint. We'll make cards like this. You can present it to your friends or your parents or your brothers, sisters on their birthdays. So I'll teach you. Yeah, take a box. Any box, whichever box you have it at home. So you cover this box with paper, okay, with white paper. Then with the help of lady finger, we will paint this today. This is very easy and you have all these things at home, okay, you don't need to buy it from the market. Now this box, I have covered it with white paper. Can you see this? Okay, I'll take some paints now. I'll take some red paints. Now I'll cut this and I will make some prints on the box. Can you see this? This is becoming very nice. You can use color, whatever color you like. Okay. First you can draw, then you can fill this up. I'll use the same color at the side also. You can take any box, empty box, cover it with paper, white paper, then you can print this and you can keep it. It'll look very beautiful. You can present this to your mother or you can keep your pencils, rubbers in it. Okay? Can you see this? Now in the middle, let's use another color. I'll cut another lady finger here and I think I'll use green. I have another shade of green here, so I'll mix this both and make this a little bit darker. Before you start to paint, put a paper on the table, okay? So that the table does not get dirty. Now we'll do some more paintings on the top now. Can you see this? You can keep your pencils, you can keep your rubbers, your marbles inside the box, or you can give it to your mother. Now I'll make some more here. Here we finished with this. Now we can do in the other box also, same thing, or you can make different designs. Now I have made some paintings here. You can draw like this. You can use this and make balloons or flowers or trees. I have made a card here. Can you see this card? This card is made by this lady finger. I have used small thin lady finger to color it. Let's make this now. Since I have orange here, so let me use orange only. I'll use a thin one here. Now I have filled this balloon with this orange color here now. Let me use some blue. So I'll use a thin one because I have a small painting here. Now I'll use another color. you have to clean the brush. Okay, when you use different colors, you have to clean the brush. If you use it with a dirty brush, then all your colors will get spoiled. So let me make an outline here. You can make a birthday card like this. You can make a thank you card, get well soon card. I'll make a string like this now. Okay, this card I've made. Now I'll keep it here. Let it dry for some time. Now I'll make this box. Now I will color this box here. This I've already finished. Now I'll color this. I'll use blue color, okay? You can use different colors, you can make designs. I hope it's coming out nice. If you want, you can use different colors also. If you want to fill it inside, you can fill with other colors in between. Let me use a small one now. I hope it's coming out nice. I'm using different sizes of lady fingers. Some are thin and some are fat. Yeah. If you want to make boxes like this, make it so that you can keep things inside. Okay, you can keep these pens, paints, pens, sharpeners, rubber, these scissors. You can use it in many ways. I hope you like it. You can do this. Okay, children?